Welcome to another edition of Coach Miranda Miner's Daily Technical Charting, Fundamentals, Improvement of Trading Quotient, and everything about crypto all in one channel. You need to take time to find your bread and butter trade. Ang focus is very important. Dahan-dahanin mo, wag ka mafo-FOMO. Diba? I always tell you to trust the system. No, I want you to wait for a confirmation candle. Wait for this line to be broken. To never, ever do shortcuts in trading.
Kaya ang galing-galing talaga pag natutunan mo yung tinuturo ni Coach bago na i-apply mo. Bago yung patient lang, yung patient tsaka yung discipline.
Si Coach kasi, he's not just a content creator. Talagang mentor siya. Pinaglalaanan niya ng oras lahat ng videos niya. Not for him, not to get subscribers. Pero para matuto tayo, para maging profitable tayo kagaya niya. Sobrang amazing lang kasi konti lang yung taong gano'n na hindi madamot, na hindi niya sasadilinin kung paano siya mag-earn ng pera. Si Coach kasi mas gusto niya pang i-share yung blessings niya.
Nag-decide ako i-PM po kayo, nag-enroll po ako sa inyo sa beginner class. Ginawa ko po talaga everyday 3 to 4 videos na sa YouTube ang pinapanood ko, tapos ninonote ko pa talaga lahat.
Magpahinga ka. Hindi tatakbo yung market, hindi mauubos yung trade setup na yan. Find that bread and butter setup. Vulnerability in trading is our most accurate measurement of trading quotient. You have yet to see your success. You have yet to see your millions. Andiyan dyan na. Are you going to give up today? Or are you going to use the word not yet?
Wake up, brother, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Pag nag-e-exam ako, yun makikita ko. Yun lagi nakikita ko. Tapos parang ano yan eh, way of, wina-welcome mo yung positive energy and ina-achieve ko, di ba? Pero
Simple lang dahil bukod sa pagiging profitable at proven and effective ang Miranda Miner trading system, napakarami mong pwedeng matutunan kay Coach Miranda Miner na hindi mo matutunan sa ibang mga mentor.
Ako po kasi talagang ang hinahanap-hanap ko yung one-on-one coaching. Gusto ko po kasi magkaroon ng personal relationship sa coach or mentor ko. Matanong kasi ako. Kaya perfect po talaga para sa akin ang mentoring class.
mapapolish mo talaga yung skills mo as a trader at kung anong types of trader ka. Para dun sa mga taong nagdadalawang isip o natatakot na subukan yung crypto trading or alamin yung crypto trading, nahan dito ang Global Miranda Mining System para i-provide sa inyo ang mga necessary data in a way na mas madali nyo siyang maiintindihan.
Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons.
Kahit ano mangyari ka, Miranda, ipangako mo sa sarili mo, you will never give up on trading. You will continue learning. You will put your eyes on the road, eyes on the price, eyes on the target. Andito lang kami. I will help you. You will be successful. You are successful. Claim it. We are here to support you. Daily affirmation and commitment. Ako ay isang disiplinadong crypto trader. I will always plan my trades. I will not enter if it's not my bread and butter trade. I will say no to FOMO dahil I can always earn profits naman in my alpha trades. May tamang signals for buying and selling. Bakit ako? Manghuhula analysis. I will journal my trades because I want to know myself more. I know that my emotions will be known if I write them down. I will treat trading as a business and that since I don't have a boss, I will make myself accountable to my losses. I will do all of this, I promise. Because alam ko, yayaman ako, uunlad ako, I can reach my dreams very soon. Trading is not a sprint, it is a marathon, and I am a millionaire. Millionaire trader and I have a millionaire mindset. Hey guys, good morning, good morning, good morning. Woohoo! Isang magandang umaga po sa inyo. Miranda dyan sa Pilipinas at magandang gabi dyan sa Pilipinas and good morning here in the awesome city of Austin, Texas. Isang magandang gabi po dyan at mahal na mahal ko kayo. Sana po kayo po ay nasa mabuting kalagayan. I'm very excited today because ang daming nangyari. Hindi pa man nagsisimula ang consensus event. Actually, it's going to start. It's already starting today sa convention center. It's actually starting ng 7 in the morning. Merong nangyayaring fun run ngayon, no? Pero of course, I cannot be there because I need to be here with you. Yan ang aking pangako sa inyo at kailangan nating mabigyan kayo ng market guidance and everything else in one channel. If you're actually new to my channel, please balikan mo yung aking mga nakaraang video. Napakaraming magagandang video dyan for free. Go to my playlists. May beginner, intermediate, and advanced playlist tayo. Those are still gems that you could still use. Law of time frames, Fibonacci's, how to set it up. All of those are for free. Please go to my channel or ask any of the moderators to guide you, on how to or where to find or what are those types of videos na pwede mong papakinabangan. By the way, ang topic natin today is basically hindi lang naman siya yung ating meet and greet with Charles Hoskinson. Hindi lang naman siya, at not because of that I'm wearing an ADA shirt. Yeah, not because of that, no. But again, thank you for the awesome party of Cardano kagahapon. So meron akong video na ginawa for that, no. I-upload natin yan tomorrow. Our marketing team is just doing their edits, no, or creatives team. Thank you again, Kuya Charles, Julian, and Jason for all of your support while I'm doing all of my best here to be able to cover and create the videos. Alam mo guys, sobrang pasalamat natin kasi may mga mababait at naggagwapuhan tayong mga gagandang lalaki ni Coach Miranda Minor na tumutulong sa atin na maggawa ng edits ng ating video while we're all busy here attending the conference. So salamat sa inyong tatlo, mga Ginoo, no? At nakaka-inspire na magtuloy-tuloy tayo because sa sipag na pinapakita ninyo. Alright, so ang topic natin today is about, obviously, let's do a quick market review. The market is actually opening here in the States at 8:30 Central Time. The market will already open. It's roughly around 18 minutes from now. And didiscuss natin yan at ang mga kaganapan in the cryptocurrency world. Una-una, binabati ko mga bago sa ating channel. Welcome sa ating channel today. Sana kayo po ay nasa mabuting kalalagayan. Nasan man kayo ngayon, sa anumang parte ng mundo, Korea, Dubai. Kung nasan man po kayo ngayon, sana kayo po ay nasa mabuting kalagayan. Overall, the market has been really, alam mo, I've been talking to a lot of investors here. Ang dami ko na nakausap. Investors, heads of blockchains, founders, executive founders, ang dami ko na nakausap dito, and no one can tell me where the market is going, no? Laging sinasabi sa akin, I hope I have a crystal ball. I hope that ako po ay merong crystal ball to be able to know where this market is going, you know, and so on and so forth. Everyone is actually asking that question, no? So even, alam mo, even on the speech of Charles yesterday, Charles Hoskinson himself, sabi niya, you know, ang dami ko ng, nakausap, and a lot of us persecuted, a lot of the people persecuted ADA back then when we launched the UTXO, and so on and so forth. So, not even him, he doesn't know where the market will go. Of course, he's concerned with this coin, with the Cardano coin. So, this market, this market has really been in preparation mode for something that is to come, no? Pag sinabi kong ganyan, ang ibig sabihin ko dyan is based on my review, observations, research, analysis, etc. It looks like that the market today is full of uncertainty and doubt. No, full of uncertainty. Let me tell you what and why I find na ito ay uncertain, no? Before ko sabihin pala yon, this is leading me to believe that ang strategy natin ngayon, no, over the next couple of weeks, after this week, kasi inaabangan ko bukas yung CPI release, no? Bukas CPI release na natin, inaabangan ko yan. After that, ang magiging diskarte natin ka Miranda, we're going to do pure TA muna, no? We're gonna be doing pure TA for crypto because sobrang uncertain ng fundamentals ngayon. From a fundamental perspective, couple of drivers. Number one, Ukraine and Russia war is still there. You know, it's creating a lot of issues, in terms of the market certainty. No, the big investors are shying away with volatile markets at this point. Number two, aside from the Russia and Ukraine war, the rise of oil prices. No, the rise of oil prices is really crazy. Kahit dyan sa Pilipinas, nakikita ko yung mga balita ngayon, meron ng almost 100 peso. I think somewhere in Palawan ang presyo ng gasolina. No, type number 1 kung nakita mo yung news na yan. It's really kakaiba guys, kakaiba, no? And US oil right now is $121. This is actually the highest, no? US oil is the highest. Umaakit siya ulit way back March. No, umaakit ulit yung presyo ng oil. And this is creating a lot of uncertainty, no? So let me show to you guys what I'm looking at right now para alam po ninyo. Okay, let me show to you para meron kayong market guidance because I honestly feel na this can really drive inflation again. No, pakita ko sa inyo ha. Please, para mag-guide po tayo. And alam ninyo saan nanggagaling yung aking perspective. Before ako mag-live today, nag-iisip ako ng topic natin. Sabi ko, this is very important that we discuss it kasi nararamdaman na to ng Pilipino. No, ramdam na natin to. So let me actually try to share my screen to you guys. Okay, so one of the things na nakikita nyo rito ka Miranda is the price of the US oil, no? The US oil has actually been increasing. It's already almost $121, no? And you would imagine nung nagkaroon ng Russia and Ukraine war, ang presyo ng oil went to a meteoric rise of almost $129, you know, for US oil, no? And it's actually paakyat siya ng paakyat, coming from from a bounce, no, at $93, medyo huminahon, maakyat siya ulit, no, at June, no. And ito yung problema natin because merong napakalaking epekto ng presyo ng US oil in the inflation world, no. At hindi lang sa US pero ramdam na ng buong mundo. So as a matter of fact, pag nagtaas ng presyo ang US and the dollar price is also rising, no? The dollar value, the dollar strength is actually also rising. So I think ang peso to dollar ngayon is almost 52 pesos if I'm correct, no? Can someone comment down below? I think 52.3, no? Pataas ng pataas ang dollar kasi sinasabi natin magtago kayo ng stable coin, no? Either USDC, USDT, BUSD yan. Basta wag lang pure USDT. Because the price of the oil in the world market is increasing. So ito yung iniisip natin. Sinasabi natin na yung CPI na lalabas is going to be medyo tamer, mas malumanay, medyo mas bumaba. Coming from an 8.3 down to 8.1. Philippines inflation actually, based on the last report that came out, is actually 5.4%. So, within the expectations pa rin. Pero, darating ang panahon sa Pilipinas, the Bangko Sentral will, actually, they already have mentioned, even the Monetary Board of BSP already have mentioned the rise of interest rates. So, parang same formula lang din sa US. Diba? Just to tame down the consumer spending, etc. So, ano ibig sabihin nito? Ang pwedeng mangyari dito ka Miranda is kapag lumabas this Friday yung report, pwedeng mas maganda. Pero pag lumabas ang July report at hahataw ulit ang inflation, it will create another holocaust, so to speak. No, sorry to use that word, but pag sinabi kong talagang Armageddon in terms of the market. So, pag pataas ng pataas ang presyo ng oil, the inflation will go higher. When inflation will go higher, the Fed will continue to rise or raise interest rates. Ang usapan nga ngayon, hindi na 2023, 2024 na ang usapan ngayon. No? The billionaires right now and the big investors are actually talking about 2024 look ahead. You know, when inflation can tame down and interest rates can go down. No? 2024, ang usap-usapan ngayon in the investment world, hindi na tayo short term. We need to be really long term today. You could either do a dollar cost averaging or an average down strategy to get your positions on your favorite stocks, no? Ano ang kinalaman niyan sa cryptocurrency? Anong kinalaman yan? Of course, nakita natin that bagsak ulit ang index kahapon, no? Actually, based on the pre-market reading, medyo mixed ang market ngayon, no? Sobrang mixed ng market and we're getting a lot of uncertainty, no? Kasi nga ang dami guys, rising oil prices, inflation, and oil has a very big factor sa CPI, no? So pag tumaas na naman, pataas ang oil. Take a look at this. We started at June 3 at $116. It's currently at $122. You know, in less than 2 weeks alone, the price of oil already increased to almost 5 percentage points. So it's going to create unnecessary uncertainty sa market. Bakit? Kasi nga pataas ang presyo ng bilihin, and the prudent fund managers, iisipin nila, pag pataas ang presyo ng bilihin, inflation is gonna be there. The Fed will then use all of its powers, to curve out inflation. Ang ibig sabihin niyan, talagang tataas nila yung interest rates. And when the interest rates are very, very high, investors will not invest. 'Di ba? Meaning, yung perang hawak nila, yung 2 trillion na nakapark ngayon sa treasury, tinuwit natin yan sa inyo. Ang mga tao ngayon naka-cash. Diba? They're actually in cash. So what does that mean in crypto? Diba? Because there is a huge correlation between the Nasdaq and the cryptocurrency world. The investors, the big investors in crypto will not be there yet. Will not be there yet. That can potentially move the price higher. Yung mga big investors natin, hindi sila puposisyon agad. Diba? At kapag walang bumibili, the price of the coin will just go sideways. Okay? Can you type number 1 kung nauunawaan so far? No? This entire narrative, itong narrative na to, this is actually what's driving the market today. What's driving the cryptocurrency market today is because a lot of uncertainty. And this explains why Bitcoin has actually been almost on a 1 month worth of consolidation. Bitcoin is actually almost in a 1 month worth of consolidation. Let me just try to open BTC. There you go. It's actually on a 1 month worth of consolidation. And you will notice that from a price perspective, Miranda, there you go. You will notice that from a price perspective, the price has been consolidating on the areas that we are saying. Tatandaan nyo lagi yung mga price na ginagamit natin for the past 2 weeks already, or actually 1 month. Nag-start ang consolidation way back May 13 up until ngayon, doon pa rin umuuntog. The important price points are the 32,393, the second resistance is 31,346, and your 37,23. Sobrang galing ng resistance na nilagay natin. Doon siya umuntog. Actually, itong previous candle an hour ago, dito lang siya talaga umuntog. On that particular price point. And of course, meron ka ring important support, which are 29,503 and 29,273. So for the most part, if you are an intermediate student, it's a very, 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 very long consolidation because there is an uncertainty and doubt. There's uncertainty and doubt of the market. So, from a fundamental perspective, what can move this market, at least based din sa napakarami ko ng investors na nakausap dito, what can move this market is a very positive catalyst. Ano ang positive catalyst na yan? Unang-una, if the inflation report medyo mag-mellow down, ibig sabihin yan, gumaganda na ang presyo ng mga bilihin. Tingin natin, the month of May, yung report na lalabas bukas will be a bit lighter. Pero ang worry ko dito, to be honest with you, is not the one tomorrow. Ang worry ko dito is yung paparating na July and August. That's my worry. Simply because the price of oil is crazy. It's getting crazy. Ngayon, ang kailangan sigurong gawin, at least on my perspective, is buhayin ulit yung deal with Iran, particularly on them being also a provider of oil. Provider of oil. Kasi pag na-open ulit yung issue niyan, kasi one of the sanctions na binigay sa bansang yan by the US and the United Nations is the ability to stop them on providing oil supply across the world. Of course, alam nyo, Middle East is a big supplier of oil, but because of a lot of different sanctions, nilagay sa kanila yan, and as part of the sanctions for violating a lot of treaties or tratado internationally. So, buhayin ulit yung discussion na yan para yung supply crunch na tinatawag, the demand, obviously the demand crunch na meron ngayon in terms of supply of oil, matatapos yan. So, ayun yung nangyari, kaya gumanda ng konti yung kaya ganyan po yung nangyari kaya nung the month of March, no? The month of March towards April and May, gumanda ang presyo ng oil because ang daming usapan ngayon during that time that the price of the oil will be lower down kasi yung supply dadami, no? Law of demand and supply dadami yan. So pag dumami yung presyo pag dumami yung supplier ng oil, hindi lang Russia, hindi lang US, hindi lang Russia, but we also have the Middle East to become a world supplier of oil. Syempre dadami yung supply, liliit na lang yung demand. But right now kasi the price of the oil is getting higher and higher and higher and higher. Couple of things. Number one, the dollar value is getting really strong. And there's uncertainty in Russia and in Ukraine. No? Hindi pa rin tayo sure dyan. Although, nag-proclaim na ang kanilang presidente sa Ukraine, 100 days, matatapos na to. But we have yet to see what's happening. We've yet to see, a lot of these are uncontrollables. So, yan ang nakikita natin today. Bakit sobrang tagal hindi umaakyat ang cryptocurrency, particularly Bitcoin, no? At alam natin if the Bitcoin price is actually not going higher, okay? Everyone else, majority of the coin by the essence of Bitcoin dominance indicator or Bitcom, majority of the altcoins na nakakouple pa rin kay Bitcoin will still be going on the same trajectory. Pa-sideways pa din ang takbo ng coin na to. No? So, ano ang kailangan nating gawin, Miranda? Unang-una, ang kailangan kong gawin, gusto kong gawin ninyo, is make sure alam natin ang major support and resistance ng coin today. As a matter of fact, maganda na nagko-consolidate ang coin because ang ginagawa niyan, your old moving averages will potentially break out already compared to the younger moving averages. So maraming mga traders ang gumagamit pa rin ng moving averages, and when we use that, pag mahabang consolidation na ang nangyayari, potentially an older moving average can break out. At pag nangyari yon, it can potentially signal a breakout pataas ng price. So, be it as it may, medyo negative mga nangyayari sa mundo. Pero, kagandahan nito from a pure technical analysis standpoint, pag mahabang panahon na nagko-consolidate ang coin, pwede ka na makakita ng potential breakouts and breakouts on the price. For example, parang ganito, di ba? Nakita natin dito, drawing ko lang, nakita nyo itong mahabang consolidation na to. Nakita natin yan, di ba? And because paliit yung kanyang volatility, umakyat siya pataas to almost 32,393. Diba? So, that's the number one that I would like us to do. Make sure we know our support and resistances. Nilagay ko na lahat dyan ng ating support and resistances. Alright, number two, kailangan natin gawin, Miranda, is that altcoins. No? Pagdating sa altcoins, we need to be very mindful of what we are trading. No? Mamili tayo ng mga altcoins that we're going to trade. Kapag ganito ang takbo ng market, no? Pag ganito ang takbo ng market, I want you guys to scalp, no? Isa sa mga pinakamahirap na market is a sideways market, no? A sideways market is one of the hardest to trade. At pag ganyan ang merkado, talagang you need to go down on the lowest level, which is scalping. I want you guys to scalp this market, no? I want you to scout this market because itong market na to, until hindi tayo bumabasag ng 32,000, no? Actually 31,500 pa nga eh. Until we're not breaking this yellow line here, no? And we see a confluence pataas, I think it's going to forever go on a sideways trend. Kailangan basagin niya to. At tomorrow, tingnan natin, abangan mo, Miranda, please make sure you are on my live tomorrow as well. Doon natin malalaman, makikita kung talagang tutuloy pataas because of the CPI report. Actually, baka 8:30 pa lang dyan sa Pilipinas, 7:30 here in Central, in Texas. Pwedeng bumaba na yung presyo ng coin eh. Pag pangit ang report, you could probably see a $28,000 retest. Pag pangit ang report na lumabas. No? Otherwise, pag maganda yung report, pwede kang mag-retest ng 32,000. So, ngayon, tingnan mo, nagsa-sideways yung market because the market is waiting for tomorrow. The market is all waiting for tomorrow's trajectory ng price based on the CPI. So, for now, ang aking reminder is maghanap kayo, no, ng mga altcoins that you can scalp, Bitcoin for scalping. Kung lalabas man kayo sa inyong watchlist, make sure alam niyo ang volatility ng coin because if you don't know the volatility in standard deviation, pwede kayo ma-wipe out. Okay, speaking of volatility and standard deviation, I would just like to remind each and every one of you that our class pwede pa rin humabol on the June 10 and June 11 class. No? Pwede pa kayong humabol dito, batch 33 and 34. This is actually a recorded course. Tapos meron tayong June 10 and June 11 June 10 na bootcamp where tomorrow magkakaroon kayo ng live FAQ with the mentors. With the mentors yan. Ngayon, it's also going to give you a 21-day recording access of the course. So kahit tapos na yung bootcamp, pwede ka pa rin magkaroon ng access within the next 3 weeks. So kahit anong oras ng trabaho mo, you can still take on the course. No? You can still take on the course. And you can still learn our system. Left hand, right hand confirmation candles, putting resistance and support. Yan ang pinaka-importante. What are my 3 systems? Transition play, TRBOs, TLSBDs, and bounce plays, no? Yan. Tapos on July, we're actually changing it a little bit. For the month of July, yung ating day 1 will be on July 1, 8, 15 and July 2, 9 and 16. Tapos i-combine na natin yung ating bootcamp into 1 day for the whole month. Yan, makita mo yan dyan. No? On the right part of the screen, makikita mo yung ating bootcamps. Ngayon, if you miss the day 1, it's okay because the day 1 is going to be groupings. No? We could still accommodate you one-on-one with your groupings. We can assign you to your group in your Discord, in our Discord channel. All right. Speaking of the system and application of it, ba't mo kailangan malaman yan? No? Kasi if the market is consolidating, if the market is on a ranging mode, importante alam mo kung paano magbasa ng takbo ng market. Like, for example, maghanap tayo dito ng mga example na mga successful traders. No? So, yan, for example, si A-Third, sabi niya dito, coin OMG, ang kanyang entry is a MACD confirmation, left hand 15 minutes, MACD line crossing, zero line. So exit 618 area, it's also a good indicator to use. Second entry, MACD confirmation using the 618 area. Thank you, A-Third, for sharing this. Scalp play, kumita siya ng 26% and 26.91%. Congratulations. Ito pa si Ronnie. Yan, so scalping, trading in mobile phone, congratulations to you. Yan, yung kanyang mga confluences. Alright, and then Aaron, yan, si Mentor Aaron, si Atom and FTM yung coin na tinitrade niya, ito yung update niya. Alright, Anisito, yan, so meron siyang 115%, congratulations. Left hand, right hand, and a good buy and sell volume. Take profit at the 0.5 and a 618 area. Congratulations to you. Yeah, I mean, those things, di ba? I mean, ito pa, another one. Let's see. Matic, nag-TLSBD na, no? TLSBD, scalping play. Okay lang po, 6.11%, no? As long as you're able to control your losses. Yan ang pinaka-importante dyan, no? Yan, another thing, si Jeff 2.0. TRBO, TLSBD, transition bounce, 1 minute. Congrats to the mentor, si Mentor Nel and the Halmatching team. Alright, congratulations. Parang ginatasan niya yung coin dito, no? 71%, 61%, 45, 49, 38, 10, and 15%. Congratulations sa'yo, no? Ang importante dito, alam nyo nang magbasa ng TA. Alam nyo na magbasa ng charting, no? At pag alam mo na yan, ang kailangan mo na lang control in is your disiplina. Bibigay namin sa inyo yung system, but we will also help you to control your psychology and your discipline because that's also very, very, very important. Yan. Of course, kasama ko si Kuya Charles, no? Alright, Charles Hoskinson alam mo, kwento ko lang na mabilis sa inyo. Kakaiba yung pakiramdam. Nakita ko siya in person. Napaka-humble na tao nito. Alam mo yung alam mo yung mga ang dami niyang hugot eh. Ang daming hugot ng tao. When he was talking, nakakatuwa yung mga sinasabi niya. Kasi sabi niya, alam mo, nung unang-unang panahon na kami pa lang, sa maliit pa lang ang input-output ng IOHK, sabi niya, 3 lang talaga yung nakikinig sa kanya. Yung isa nag-CR pa daw. Tawa kami ng tawa, no? And medyo may hinanakit siya sa consensus kasi parang hindi hina-highlight si Cardano. No. So medyo may hinanakit sa consensus yan. Chinismis natin. Sabi niya naman sa speech na yun, no? Pero nakakataba ng puso na binati niya yung mga Pilipino. Sabi niya, I'll give it to you on a video. Naka-video naman yan. Sabi niya, oh, hello Philippines, sabi niya. Sabi niya, hey, a lot of Filipinos are watching you. Can you greet them? So sabi niya, hey Filipinos, hey Philippines, sabi niya. At nakakatuwa naman siya, nag-post pa for a picture. So, and a little bit of a video. So thank you, Charles. No, again, this is not a hype for the coin. We always need to make sure we trade and we chart our coins. Medyo nagkaroon lang tayo ng pagkakataon magkaroon ng mga intel na hindi pa niya sinasabi across. Actually, sinabi niya rin doon sa conference na ang dami pala sa kanilang hindi pa muna pwedeng sabihin. Pinagbabawalan siya ng corporate, no? Pero sabi niya, I'm always violating the rules. People need to know what's going to happen, no? For example, yung paparating na Cardano wallet, FYI guys, may paparating na Cardano wallet. And creating their own wallet, which is really gonna be very big, and I think a lot of more innovations on that. Pwedeng lumabas na yan kasi sinasabi na naman niya for the past couple of days daw. Pero may mga parating pa silang kasi ang dami nilang updates, guys, no? But anyways, ito pa, another one, si Acer, 18 hours ago. Yan, diba? So, uy, parang ako ito Thank you, Acer, for putting me here, no? Salamat, Acer. Sabi niya dito, after ng work, pagdating ng bahay, prepare agad ng trading zone. Tama yan, sa pagkainan. Watching live ni Coach. Then after nag-chart at nilaro si Ada scalping gamit ang CMM system, 4 wins and 0 lose. Wow. The scalping system is actually in the beginner class. Yan. Congratulations ka, Miranda, no? And itong nakakatuwa din ito, no? Sabi niya dito, Coach, for the first week of June, sabi niya, I want to share this with you. Grabe to, 100%, 785%, no? Win rate, no? Grabe to, no? Talagang siguro ang taas ng leverage nito. No, for the whole month of June in Binance, siguro mga naka 75% lang ulit ako, parang the month of May. 75% lang. And that's for me, it's okay. Kasi malaki naman yung, hindi naman tayo laging heavy Binance player, and medyo malaki din naman ang ating mga puhunan pag nagtitrade tayo, nilalabas lang ulit natin. Tulad ng ginamit kong pamasahe dito, kailangan natin magtrabaho at mag-profit tayo. Anyways, yun, no? So, if you would like to learn more about our system, please enroll now. Meron pa tayong couple of days. Actually, share ko lang din sa inyo, hindi pa tayo gaanong nakakapag-trade dito dahil paka-busy natin, no? Pero, couple of things that I would like you to watch out, guys, will be the following. Type number 1, kung ready ka na, I'm going to give you a couple of things to watch out, even the price na aantayin natin. But before that, isang mabilis na commercial muna. I'll be right back. Magkakapilan tayo. Kakapilang muna ako. Give me 1 minute of a quick commercial and I'll be right back with few reminders kung saan tayo pwedeng potentially pumasok on some of the coins. Thank you, guys, and I'll be right back. Thank you. Isang munang commercial here.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day, see the dreams fade away like a God never changed.
Hey ka, Miranda, nakita mo na ba yung bago nating website? Naku, we have added a couple of improvements in our faster and better website. Tingnan natin. So obviously, you can access this using the website that I just gave. And of course, you can actually just click on the courses that are available in our website. Pagka-click mo niyan, lalabas yung mga napakaganda mga course. Sisimulan mo lang yan in taking the beginner course. syempre kukunin mo yung medyo malapit. For example, today is April 27. You just need to click on the upcoming May 6 to 13. Pagkatapos nyan, when you click on this course, of course, basahin mo kung ano yung nakalagay sa course na ito. What is it about? Obviously, dito ituturo natin kung ano ba ang ating Miranda Miner model of trading. Ano ba yung risk-averse portfolio creation? Tinuturo ko dyan yung standard deviations, yung Coach Miranda Miner Trading System, yung tatlong system natin, naked charting, reporting, and of course, yung comprehensive assessment. No? Pagkatapos po nito, this is actually available in 21 calendar days. No? And this will automatically start once you purchase the course itself. Alright? Pagkatapos po niya, balik tayo dun sa course. Okay, balik na tayo. So, yung commercial na yan, basically, just go to the website, no? Para malaman mo lahat ng detalye, shortcut ko na lang kasi I need to do this already para we can go to the conference, malilate na tayo doon. So, tapusin na natin ito. Pero, yun lang, no? So, if you would like to learn, recorded naman ang video natin. Your day number 2, if you are going to miss the bootcamp, just let us know. Baka pwede natin gawa ng paraan yan. Sige, let us know kung talagang hindi nyo kakayanin yung Saturday. Gagawa natin ng paraan if we could make you sit on another class. But let us know, email us on the Elite University. Let's see kung ano magagawa namin. Ha? So we could probably just give you the Zoom ID of the next class na in case na ma-miss nyo yung current class natin. But again, recorded naman yan. Kung talagang hindi nag-work yung time mo, just let us know. But recorded din yan kasi 21 days, 22 days access naman yan. Yung importante dyan yung bootcamp lang, no? 12 to 6. No? But let us know if you're going to miss that. We could probably make ways for you. Alright, okay, let's now do this. Of course, let's go to Bitcoin first. No? From a Bitcoin perspective, let's go to the big picture. No? Of course, it's actually setting up a 31,000 resistance and 29,273. Hayaan mo mag-consolidate ang market. Pag ganito nangyayari, baba ka lang sa pinakamababang time frame. 1 hour and off, obviously, kumuha tayo ng lower time frame as well. No? In this case, nagkakaroon ng correction on 30,723. Kapag ganito guys, susundin nyo ganito yung gagawin nating support. Pag ganyan, no? We're going to get the 30,000 as a support. Magkakaroon ng oras yan dito. All resistance used as a support. You're noticing a common support area here based on this trajectory. No? So nagkaroon ng breakdown, sinalo ng oras dito. Umakyat ulit only to get corrected. Parang si Ethereum. Kapag ganito ang takbo ng coin, pag gumaganyang sideways yan, ibig sabihin yan, it's good for scalping. Lalo na yung mga ganitong takbuhan, no? It's good for scalping. So, for big position trades, as I've said sa tweet natin kanina, don't put very big positions yet today. Magkatay na kayo hanggang tomorrow para hindi masayang ang pera because potentially the coin can go sideways pa rin. Okay? Tulad nito, I'll give you an example. No? Sa mga may panahon dyan, sa mga walang meeting, kung ako meron akong full time ngayon, ang gagawin ko dito ganito. For example, okay, ganito yung takbo ng coin. No? For example, I'm going to do, let's say, a 30 minutes na time frame. I'm going to do this, yan. And I'm going to put my MACD confirmation, yan. I'm going to put my MACD confirmation, and here you're actually doing the confirmation candle of the support line breakdown. You know, the confirmation candle of the support line breakdown. No? You have your TLS. This is actually one of my system. No? TLSBD, trend line support breakdown with MACD confirmation in a confirmation candle in a volume confirmation. Always a classic perfect play to do shorting. Classic perfect play to do and earn. No? Kung pwede ka talagang kumita dyan if you know our system. If you have the right discipline and the right time. No? Pwede ka talagang yumaman, kumita if you have time. I'll give you an example. One of my trades is actually Luna kahapon. No? I traded Luna kahapon kasi everything is on a waiting game for me, even Ethereum, even Adam, all waiting for a major breakout. So sabi ko, Luna is a good play kahapon. Let's all look at Luna here. Okay. Let's all look at Luna. There you go. Yan, makikita mo ito yung laro natin kay Luna kahapon. So of course, gumawa tayo muna ng big time frame na Fibonacci trend line extension pababa. So kumuha tayo ng trend line with a 1.618 and a 2.618 with a potential take profit at 2.18. So ito yung kinuha nating laro. Somewhere around within this area, nagkaroon ako ng panahon makapag-trade, when I'm here in the States. Sabi ko, maganda yung selling volume, nagkaroon ng breakdown, people are capitulating, and of course, meron tayo ditong trend support line breakdown, at ito ay bumasag na ng major 1.618 area. Binasag, sinubukang lumaban, kinorek at 1.618, humato pababa, nagkaroon ng TLSBD, bumaba palalo. Ito yung perfect area to enter. Perfect area to enter because the market is actually on a downward trend. Ito yung sinasabi natin isa pang baba. Isa pang baba at pwedeng sumalo si micro Fibonacci in between. No? So because of this, we're able to earn almost 60%. No? 60% yung earnings natin dyan. Here, we earned 60%. Sorry, this is actually one of my trades. One more. This one, we earned 63% on a 5x trade. Kahapon po yan. No? Kahapon yan here in the States. We were trying to look for a way to earn. Wala akong makitang major movement. Nakakita tayo ng TLSBD play with Luna. So nilaro natin and true enough, nagkaroon tayo ng good confluences to be able to earn a 60% play here on this breakdown. No? Hindi ko na itong inabangan pataas because tayo ay napaka-busy. I think during that time talagang sabi natin, actually paano ko nakuha si 2.18? Ito lang yan, no? Your micro Fibonacci's in between. Kunin mo lang si 618 dito. And kukunin mo lang din si 382. Pwede mong gawing support line na yan. No? On buying the true dip. This is actually how you buy the true dip, no, of the coin. So tinuturo natin ito sa ating university. How do you earn 60%? Ito yung mga gagawin ninyong mga setups. May mga trades ako hindi ko na sinishare, no? Sa inyo yung mga scalp plays ko kasi sobrang busy na rin natin. But from a major play perspective, ito yung one of our major plays dito in the States. So kaya mo din yan. Even while you're traveling, kahit busy ka, talagang pag pinalano mo, may system ka, you can still earn on this particular trade. Okay? You can earn. Okay, so let's now go back with Bitcoin. So I've said it's actually consolidating. Let's go to the next coin. Type number 1 kung medyo na-excite at talagang gustong matutunan paano kuhain yung ganito mga trades for you to earn a lot. Actually, pagbasag pa lang ng ito pa lang pwede mo na siyang kuhain talaga June 5 pa lang, no? Pagbasag mo ng micro Fibonacci, talagang nagkakaroon ng support, major breakdown, no? Major breakdown. Pwede mo rin kuhain yan, no, from here. Pwede mo rin kuhain yan from here, no? From your 618 to your 1.618. Pwede mo rin kunin yung 382 here. Pwede mo rin kunin ito as a potential take profit area on pag-breakdown, take profit ka dito, nag-breakdown ulit, pwede mong i-consider yung micro Fibonacci niyan as a correction area sa taas. Tingnan mo, sinusunod naman niya. Nag-breakdown ulit, nagkaroon ng trend line dito, pababa, and for me, sabi ko, hindi ko na nakuha kasi itong part na to, no? Hindi ko na to hinabol. Sabi ko mag-aantay na lang ako isang extended move pababa pa ito yung coin na to. And I'll probably earn big. I will definitely earn big, and true enough, we earned big on this particular trade. All right? Okay, let's now go with the second coin, the queen of all coins, Ethereum. No? Ethereum. For Ethereum play, bantayan nyo tong coin na to, guys. No? When I say bantayan natin, talagang we need to wait for a major breakout of this coin. Here, I'm actually trying to monitor this coin kahapon. Sabi ko, bantayan natin. I think the price was here, no? Around this time. Here, andito yung price ng sinabi kong bantayan po natin the coin, no? This price at 1791, no? 1791. Bumaba, nagkaroon ng support line at 1782 at 0.618 play. Pero humataw pa din pataas, umabot pa ng 1833. following the Bitcoin trend, umakyat pataas. Of course, kinorek pa din, nagkaroon ng correction play on this particular resistance. Bumaba, sinalo ng 1782 ulit, which is your 618 area. Kung kayo ay may full-time work, no, o kaya kayo ay free time, kayo ay sobrang kayo ay kayo ay may pwedeng maging full-time trader, kayang-kaya niyong kumita dito, guys. Sa totoo lang, kayang-kaya niyong gatasan ng kahit anong coin using our 618 trend lines, support, resistance, kasi kuhang-kuha mo naman talaga. Kuhang-kuha mo naman talaga. I mean, why would this correct here? It's obviously because we have a triangle here. 'Di ba? We have a triangle here, it will correct. Tapos pag ng correction play, tira ulit pababa, confirmation pababa, scalp play pababa, kuha ng 618 support stop profit area, no. Kuha ng support line here pababa yan, no. So, as your selling point when you're selling short. Ngayon, ang trabaho natin ulit dito, magantay tayo ngayon ng potential bounce paakyat, pa ganun. We're going to wait for a bounce play paakyat. Ayun ang gagawin nating laro dito. Okay, for example, yan. So, you're seeing now that meron tayong support na 618 area. Okay? So, inatras ko lang yan dyan, pero dito talaga yan. Yan. Dyan talaga yan para for optics purposes, no, for optics purposes. Yan. So, from swing low to swing high, kinuha natin itong 618 na to. Pwede mo ring gawin actually na from swing high to swing low para makuha mo yung another 618 here. But for this one, ang kinuha natin talaga is the support line kasi meron siyang common support play dito. Ngayon, pag ito nabasag here, short ka. Then do your shorting play pababa. Pwede pa rin mag-bounce pataas. Ito yung kukunin mong play pataas, lalong-lalo na if it actually breaks out here. Huwag ka munang mag-trade. Don't do intraday trade within this triangle. Mababa ang RRR niyan, risk-reward ratio. Ang kukunin natin dito from a pure TA perspective is the breakout here, paakyat, or the breakdown here, pababa. Okay? Let's now go with a DeFi coin, which is, let's do an AAV coin. Let's do an AAV, which is actually a DeFi coin. Just give me a second, Miranda. Okay. All right. Itong si AAV has been actually going higher and higher and higher. Umabot po siya ng $124. Nagkaroon ng breakdown, sinalo ng we need to remove this rather. So kasi hindi na to applicable. Yan. All right. So sinalo, in this particular case, nagkaroon ng major breakdown at 105. Pag nakuha mo yan, congratulations to you. Then sinalo siya ng area na to, sukatin natin, but ito nagkaroon ng correction, nagkaroon ng bounce. Okay? In this particular case, sinasalo siya ng 382 pero nagkaroon ng TLSBD, sinalo siya ng 0.5 na Fibonacci area. Kaya nagkaroon siya ng bounce play. Ang pasok natin dito, pag ganyan, we need to wait for a confirmation of a trend resistance breakout. Kukunin natin itong major breakout na ito. Tatanggalin ko ito muna. And, babalik ko muna yun. Kukunin ko muna yung support line natin. I'm going to use this one. And of course, I'm going to be waiting for a breakout play here or a breakdown play here, no? I'm waiting for that, no? Ngayon, as I've said, no, just watch out for AAV, one of the good sexy coins to trade. You know, maganda yung kanyang pinakikita in terms of following our Fibonacci lines and following our trend lines and support and resistance lines, no? All right. Let's now go with an NFT at this point. Let's actually go with Sand, no? Let's go for Sand or Luna. Actually, pwedeng, Mana. Pwedeng Mana or Sand, no? Okay? So, same thing. May pagrespeto sa 1.25 support na meron tayong nilagay dyan na matagal na. 1.25 support is the common support na sinusunod natin. We have the two bounce plays here. The coin has been consolidating, which means that there is obviously an uncertainty on a bigger time frame. Volume is also the same with showing uncertain volumes, which means mababa yung volume. No? Nagkaroon tayo ng malaking trend resistance breakout pero hindi siya umaakyat. Obviously because the volume does not make any sense and ang normally nagiging driver niyan, and you have a you have a strong 1.32 resistance here, no? So 1.32 and 1.25, ito yung magiging scalping playground ninyo. Yan, scalping playground. Paano yon? Paano yon? So of course, use our Hamachi 2.0 system. Ang gagawin mo lang naman dyan is obviously for you to plot your major support lines. Kukunin mo lang itong support line na ito. Mag-aantay tayo dito ng trend support line breakdown, scalp with our system. Yan, kukuha ngayon tayo dito ng paakyat or pababa. You know, we need to know, abangan mo to kung babagsak ito, magandang play yan pababa. And pang sasalo mo dito is your common support line at 1.26. Pwede mong pangsalo yan or up until mag-lighten up na yung, up until mag-reach na yung ating positive 100 sa CCI, pwede mo nang gawing indicator yon to be able to sell your sell short already. Yan. Another thing, kunin na rin natin, let's try to chart our coins. ANC 18%, obviously katulad dyan yung Luna, nag-recover lang ulit yan. Play with the volatilities of ANCs and Luna, yan ang magandang gawin ninyo. Kung talagang gusto nyong kumita ng malaki, doon kayo sa mga highly volatile coins, but mag-iingat kayo kapag hindi nyo sa ulo ang volatility and standard deviation. Okay? Or, by the way, kausap ko nga rin pala si Koti, yung stablecoin na JED, kausap ko kahapon, interviewin ko yan. Kasi Koti, di ba, is part of Cardano. So, interviewin natin yung taga-Koti in one of these days. No? Alright. So, guys, yun ang ating high-level discussion as of today, no? Ang market kasi natin talaga nagko-consolidate. So, ang trabaho natin ngayon as traders is unang-una malaman natin saan ba ang ating mga major support and resistances. And of course, kung gusto mong lumabas on big coins, going to the small coins, okay lang yun, no? As long as you're able to plot, no, your major supports and resistances and plot your Fibonacci's, and alam po natin kung meron tayong system to do your trade, your bounce place transitions, breakouts, breakdowns, and so on and so forth. Okay? So tingnan ko muna kung may questions kayo in the chat room, and magbati-bati section mo, batian section muna tayo. All right. All right. Okay. Alright, so Katsugeki Mochi, Coach, Fib retracement po ba yan or extension? Anong coin yung tinanong mo? Sorry, ngayon ko lang nakita yung question mo. Ano yung stop loss ng Ethereum entry? Here, okay, if you're going to enter on a if you're going to enter here, pababa, or for example, you're going to enter here, pababa, yan. So, kukunin natin yan, pababa. In this particular case, yan. Ang stop loss nito, in terms of you're going to short, no? If you're going to short, basically, ang stop loss nito is going to be, pag bumaba yan, your stop loss should be anywhere above, no? Above this resistance line. Anywhere above this resistance line. Pag sinort nyo ito, kasi pwedeng magkaroon pa rin ng OSUR yan, no? Old support uses a resistance. Pwedeng mangyaring laro dito, no? If you actually tried to enter this on a sell short. So when you sell short this, yan, pwedeng mag-retest yan ng old support uses a resistance and pwedeng bumaba ulit. So your stop loss should be anywhere above this area. Yan, above this area. Para hindi kayo nahahagip. You know, you need to remember, marami sa inyo nahahagip ng mga stop losses because you're putting them, no? If you're doing sell short, no? If you're doing sell short, your stop loss should not be below your major resistance. Mahahagip yan. At the same time, if you are doing here, for example, you're doing a TRBO play, no? Your stop loss should not be above your major support line. Katandaan niyo yan, maraming nahahagip sa inyo na stop losses kasi ginagamit pa rin natin yung stock market na mindset na putting your tight stop losses doesn't work in crypto. Doesn't work in crypto. I can prove that to you many times. No, from a volatility perspective, standard deviation perspective, Bitcoin runs on a 15% standard deviation. Your 5% will just wipe you out. Your 5% stop loss does not work in cryptocurrency. Tandaan nyo yan. Luna has a 65% volatility STDEV. wipe you out 3 times. If you're using 5% stop losses, it can wipe you out. Sayang pera nyo. You need to widen your widen your range stops. You need to widen your stop losses in cryptocurrency. I can prove that to you mathematically, guys. There is a science behind that. You know, you need to widen your volatility stops, no, in cryptocurrency. Okay? You need to widen. So if you wanted to know your stop losses from your particular entry, you need to widen it a little bit. No, make sure it's actually beyond your major resistances and support. You need to widen your range. So, hindi pwedeng, kasi normally, this is how I was trained in the stock market kasi, no? And ito yung ina-unlearn ko palagi. So for example, ito yung tatandaan niyo ha. For example, ganito yung itsura ng coin natin, ganyan. No. So meron kang tinatawag dito na meron kang, let's say, common range na tinatawag, no, starting from this point to this point. Yan. Meron kang common dyan. After ng pag-akyat na to, obviously kumuha ka dyan ng swing high to swing low. Kukuha ka dyan ng 618 here as your take profit area, no, from the swing low to swing high at 618 area. Kukuha ka ng take profit dyan. Forget about that. Sabihin natin that the coin has been actually doing a sideways move katulad ni Bitcoin, ganito. Ang problema sa atin, if we don't understand that there is a common support and resistance, normally what we do, Miranda, is we put the wrong stop losses, no? Mali. So what we're normally doing is, if this is your major resistance, this is your major support, what we normally do is to put stop losses in between here, in between here, in between here. And normally, if the coin will fluctuate, it will fluctuate like that, mahihit lang ang stop losses ninyo. When you're putting your stop losses on a ranging market, you need to widen. You need to widen your stop losses. You need to widen it because volatility is real in cryptocurrency. 15% standard deviation, no, for the past 90 days for Bitcoin. That's really huge, no? Kung 15% nagmo-move yung candle mo like this, no? Like this, tatalunin ka niyan, talo stop losses mo dyan. So you need to be very, very mindful, and you need to exercise, of course, on a ranging market. You need to know saan ka ding system, saan ka ding setup mag-work, no? But as I always say, pag ganyan ang market patagilid, no, at hindi mo kayang bitawan ng mga major cap coins like Bitcoin, recommendation is to do scalping play, widen your stop losses, make sure you understand your SNRs, and then make sure you know how to play your TLSBDs and understand your Fibonacci's, no? So very, very good question, Miranda. Okay? All right. Okay. What other questions do we have? Okay. Paano yung extended horizontal line? Saan yun, Jaja? Saan question yun? Okay, siguro last 2 questions tayo kasi I need to drop na alas 9 na rito sa US. I need to be in the conference ng 10 o'clock, guys, ha? I need to be in the conference ng 10 o'clock. I need to be there. Mag-start na ng 10 o'clock doon. Let's start with Link. So si Link daw, check chart natin si Link. Okay. Okay. So, bumasag na si 618 area. Okay. Naked charting muna tayo, guys. Let's do some naked charting here. Okay. Okay, so your 618 area first. Let's do this. Okay, so gagawin natin is this, no? So gawa tayo ng panibagong Fibonacci line here. Okay. Okay. So it looks like it's actually on an extended move already. Okay. Meron siyang pag-respect kay 786 area. Kunin natin ito. Okay. So let's do a little bit of a pattern here. No? Kunin natin itong pattern na to. Okay. So from here, swing high, swing low, extended move. Kunin natin itong move na ito. Kunin natin yan. Okay. Alright, let's do that move here. There we go. Okay, let's plot our fibs from here to here. Kunin natin si 382. And kunin natin si 618. You do this process kapag mahirapan kayong kumuha ng previous resistance, lalo na sa mga historicals, no? Kukunin nyo itong proseso na to kung nahihirapan kayong kumuha ng mga common support and resistances. So meron ka ditong okay, you have this common support. It can act as a resistance here, guys, no? So pwede itong magkaroon ng correction play here at 9.77 area. Maganda yung kanyang pinakikita on a day perspective, umaangat, no? Obviously, meron ka din dito nakitang TLSBD, yan, kaya umangat na umangat yan. You see a TLSBD play there. Tapos you have a common triangle here as well, kaya umakyat. Yan, you have your common triangle. Nung bumasag, umakyat pataas, sa potential correction area mo is going to be 9.77, no? 9.77, of course, this is just an indicator. Marami pa mga confluences no, na pwede mong gamitin. Okay, may mga confluences pa yan na pwede mong gamitin. Oops, nangyari. Ba't bigla naging LRC ito nangyari? Okay, there are other indicators that you can use ka, Miranda, ha? So, tatandaan mo yan, no? There are other indicators that you can actually use. Meron ka din ditong correction at 9.7 area. Kunin din natin to. No, let's go on a 1 hour play. Yun, okay, nagkaroon na ng breakout, paakyat. 1 hour. Okay. Okay, ingat because there's a left hand already. No, and the buying volume is weakening as well. So pwede ba itong umakyat? Mag-ingat na lang kayo. Kung late na, wag nang habulin. We're seeing a potential correction play. A major correction play at 9.77. Magle-left hand na siya. This would just, tapos ito mag-parabolic move. Magka-parabolic move, pababa na siya. So, pag ganito, medyo naiwan na kayo ng bus because umakyat na siya ng umakyat. Extended move, pataas na to. No? At you're seeing a weakening of the buying volume, umaakyat. So ang trabaho natin ngayon, hanapin kung saan ito magsusupport. No? Hanapin kung saan siya magsusupport. Yun ang trabaho natin ngayon, hanapin natin. And obviously, you can just do your support line here. Gumagawa na siya ng yan, bearish wedge na tinatawag natin. Yan. Pwede nang bumuo yan. It's creating a left hand here. So kung hahabol kayo, don't do intraday scalp play, pataas na lang. Kung hahabol pa, may risk na tong mag-correct because of the left hand. No? And obviously, a 9.77 is your major correction area based on the previous resistance, support na ginawa niya a couple of months ago. Alright, okay. Congratulations, Miranda. Yun na muna ang ating gagawin ngayon. Thank you for all of the questions that you have today. I need to go, Miranda. Ang dami kong i-meet na tao ngayon, no? So, na-excite tayo. Day 1, actual day 1 ng consensus natin. Hanggang Sunday naman yan, no? Day 1, day 2, day 3, and day 4 of the consensus project. See you. And of course, sa mga Miranda natin na NFT holders ng ating NFT Miranda Miner sa OpenSea, meron tayong fireside maya-maya. No, I'm going to give you some exclusive shots here in during the live. So, kita tayo sa Google Meet. And thank you again, Miranda, for your time. Maraming salamat to all of the viewers today na nakinig at nakinig ng mga reminders natin. We're gonna be a bit busy, pero abangan niyo yung ating video na ginagawa ngayon for panoorin nyo pala, no, na nilabas na natin yung video natin on travel vlog or travel vlog. Nilabas na natin yan, panoorin nyo, napaka-cute ng video na gawa ng edit ng mga team natin from the time na sumakay tayo ng eroplano hanggang touchdown in Texas. Alamin mo kung ano yung mga paano maging international flight na pasahero, ano yung mga kinain natin dyan. Panoorin mo lahat, nakaka para ka talaga nanood ng para kang sumama sa travel ko. Alright? Okay guys, kay Miranda, maraming salamat po. God bless you. Salamat po talaga at wish me all the best here in Texas as we attend the first day of the Consensus Conference here in Austin Convention Center. I love you 3,000 and God bless all of you.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Gotta taste